How to log into the Lloyds Banking Group employee portal. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Lloyds Bank is a British retail and commercial bank with branches across England and Wales. If you are the employee of Lloyds Banking Group, you will be provided the URL for employee portal by the HR department. You can check your email inbox or the company's intranet site for the URL. Now open up any web browser and enter the URL for Lloyds Banking Group employee portal into the address bar. On the login page, you want to enter your username, then enter the password. Both your username and password will be provided to you by the company's HR department when you join. After you have entered all the credentials, click on the login option. In case you have forgotten your password or username, click on the link that says forgotten your log-on details. Then follow the on-screen prompts in order to retrieve your user ID or reset your password. Once logged in, you should be able to access various features and resources provided by Lloyds Banking Group Employee Portal. This is going to include access to work schedule, HR documents, company news, benefit information, and more. If you encounter any issue during the login process, you can directly contact the company's IT support or HR department for help. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.